the entire incident on his GoPro camera. His objective was to sow division among the American people and potentially incite a civil war. Upon inspecting the sniper's location, investigators discovered 2 bags and a ceramic tile, items that may have been part of his setup or escape plan. As soon as the Secret Service agent fired at the suspect, he fled the scene. The suspect likely escaped using the same black Nissan SUV he arrived in, leaving behind the weapon and other items in his haste. It is believed that he fled via Kentucky Street in West Palm Beach, managing to evade immediate capture. He drove for approximately 30 minutes, attempting to distance himself from the scene. Eventually, law enforcement tracked him down on Highway I-95, where he was arrested and taken into custody without further incident. The swift coordination between agencies ensured that the suspect could not get far before being apprehended. Using the July assassination attempt as a case study, let's examine how they work. As stated, the Secret Service has a detail of around 20 to 30 agents for ex-presidents like Donald Trump, but this number can fluctuate depending on the situation. Closest to the principal, in this case Trump, are teams of around 5 to 7 highly trained Secret Service agents. In the 100-foot radius, that is the middle perimeter, there's usually a mix of Secret Service and local law enforcement. An armored SUV or limousine is also on standby within this middle perimeter, covering portions of the motorcade and any pre-event screening. In the outer perimeter, security largely falls to local law enforcement officers. In Butler, the building the shooter climbed was technically outside of the rallied venue, and the Secret Service didn't sweep it. It fell through the cracks, which still falls to the Secret Service because it means nobody checked to ensure the plan was implemented correctly. But before we move ahead, let's map out the basic positions of all the parties involved. First, we have the former president's podium, and just beside him are 3 bleachers where a selected audience is seated. Behind them is the sniper team, which can be divided into north and south positions,